TM Oliver is an aspiring Toastmaster whose goal is to improve his public presentation skills and to become a proficient leader in his place of birth. Deeply rooted in St. Martin, he is a descendant of the creator of the Bonham dance, the late Inez Bailey. Today, this proud son of the soil, whose gable string is planted right here, will be telling us his own story. It gives me great privilege to welcome to the lectern TM Oliver Williams, a son of noble blood, to the lectern to present his highest from the past presentation. Master Level 1, titled St. Martin is My Home.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for allowing me the opportunity to show my conviviality. Some of you may not know, but I grew up playing the steel pan. I'm a man of culture. I'm a man of St. Martin. I am very patriotic of my country and love St. Martin. Everything I do is all for St. Martin. Growing up, I lived a true island life. I used to go fishing and diving with my dad. I also did farming, planting different crops. I used to climb trees and play in the yard. I assisted with work around the house, and I even fell and broke my arm at the age of 4. I have always had a sense of my cultural identity. I began playing the steel pan in the 3rd grade, whereas I have performed in front of numerous audiences for concerts, wedding and hotel performances, or for guests disembarking the cruise ships on port, just to name a few. I have interacted with countless individuals, and I have performed on stages from a young age. So I can say with confidence, I am not intimidated by a crowd. I have also played the bass guitar in multiple settings, whereas at the age of 16, I traveled to the Netherlands in a competition with my band where we won against musicians from all over Europe. I attended the Mac Primary School, whereas I graduated in 2006. Thereafter, I moved on to the St. Dominic High School, where I graduated in 2012. 2 years later, I began my journey into tertiary education when I left St. Martin and flew to Miami to attend the Florida Memorial University. I initially enrolled in a mechanical engineering program. However, I decided to change to a computer science due to multiple factors. The highest factor being because computers are only becoming more prominent and are advancing and are in every object that you can name. I was awarded my bachelor's in computer science in 2018. I decided to stay in the US on what is called an OPT, optional practical training, until I decided to come back to St. Martin in February 2020. During my younger years, I recall seeing my mother attend Toastmasters meetings, and that was the first time I learned about the benefits of Toastmasters, namely the benefits in regards to public speaking. I decided to join Toastmasters because I would like to develop my communication skills. I would like to speak more concisely and also be more articulate. I feel like Toastmasters can be a big assist to my development, and one of the main motivators for this is the fact that I'm actually contesting the upcoming elections. So I feel like Toastmasters can assist me with bettering my communication so that I can communicate on a top level with my constituents, but also with my peers. Also, I am an entrepreneur and I aspire to develop my businesses and grow them. And I feel like Toastmasters can also assist me with bettering my persuasion skills and lead generation in business. So, on a whole, I feel like Toastmasters can be a big benefit for all aspects. In closing, I am a son of the soil. I am very proud to be from and rooted in St. Martin, and I feel like all of the experiences I have been through in my life has brought me to this point, and I feel like Toastmasters can help me better myself to bring betterment to our country, because it's all for the love of St. Martin. Thank you.
Thank you, CM Oliver.